If your business operates in highly regulated industries, you might want to enable advanced authentication for your signed documents with PKI certificates to ensure the highest level of data protection and authentication. Please note that only eligible organizations can send documents using PKI technology. Once enabled, this feature allows you to send e-signature invites using the Global Sign digital signing service. Once every signer has signed your document, you can download it and view the digital certificate, a unique identifier that proves the ownership of a signature and includes information about the identity of its owner. If you're ready to raise the bar for business security and compliance, don't hesitate to contact our sales team to activate digital signatures for your signNow organization. Whether you're a school teacher, nurse, office manager, or startup owner, signNow empowers you and your colleagues to streamline your e-signature workflows so that you can focus on your mission, not paperwork. Let us know in the comments below what other features you'd like to see in signNow. We're always looking to add any features requested by users. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.